be.
Look at you.
Oh.
I just want to sit down. I just want to sit down.
I'm not pushing him down. He's trying to. Oh, there we go. That's easier. Whoa. Whoa. Hi. Boring.
Try and stand him up again.
Okay, here. There. Use your other leg. Just buckling.
Oh, I just want to lay down.
Not happening. Not happening.
Not old enough to walk quite yet, huh? Huh? Did you have a hiccup? Hi.
Okay, ready? Just
He's going to be a great skier.
here. All right.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hold on for 8 seconds.
Whoa, whoa.
Or hold your head up.
Hold your head up for 8 seconds. Hoo-ah, 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 hoo-ah. Okay.